Hey guys, LB Trader here. Yet another daily recap video. Okay, you might be wondering, right, what happened to the video yesterday, day before? It didn't cut. So just to cut things short, for those who wants to know what actually happened, the video didn't came because there were no setups taken. Okay, you can check my Discord. You can join the Discord in the link in the description below. No trades were taken, but I'll still do a recap video, right? Today is on a Saturday. Now it's on the 21st of June, right? So yeah, I'll do a quick daily recap video, but basically it's a recap video across 2 days. Alright, so without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so as you can see here, there were no position pictures taken. Then yeah, let's just do a quick one. I'll start the day at 9. Let's see whether we can find any setups. Right. So this will be on the 19th of June. Okay. So let's get it. Okay. Let me see. This one is the shift. Right. So we see. Okay, there's a retracement. Good retracement. Looking for an uptrend. Double bullish candle. Didn't come. Good double bullish. Is that? So actually, I didn't take any trade because I believe I was quite busy. This week is a hectic week for work, so yeah, I didn't take any particular position. I didn't even found any position doing work. Usually doing work, I'll just scroll my phone, right, just to see whether I can find anything. But unfortunately, there isn't. So as you can see here, based off price action, doesn't seem like there's anything. Okay, so now it came down. What you can potentially look for is a short position. So we'll wait for the retracement. Okay, retracement is here. So let's see. If retracement is here, that means my stop loss will be maybe somewhere around here. But we'll take a look and see how things go. Yeah, actually this is too long, right? This retracement is actually fine. This one, this is actually okay. This area here, but the candle wick is too long, so I won't think that this is a good position. But just for the exercise, let's take a look. If we take this, okay, if we take this and put the stops here, it's already 2,300. Definitely I won't take it. So but yeah, I mean, just for entertainment purposes, let's take a look and see how this plays out. And yeah, let's see now, see whether there's any position, any setup that I can potentially take. No, but it eventually got stopped out, right? So even if we take this, it's a stop out. But yeah, based off my statistics for London, New York session, my strategy, it doesn't really work that well. I need the volume in New York session. So yeah, things are going uptrend now. So let's see. Now it's on the uptrend. So what I'll look for is a retracement and take a long position. So let's see whether there's any retracement and long position here. Okay, retracement is here now, but it's actually doing short positions instead. So yeah, okay, the long is here. So by right, we can consider taking this. I think this is fine, but stops here is a bit too tight. It's not what I'm quite comfortable with. Usually I can do it under here or here, but this is 2,300. So let's do it here, for example. Let's say I took this particular position. I think there is also news, so let's take a look. By right, there is also news on the 19th of June. So let's see, backtrack. 19th of June. Oh, sorry, I didn't take the trade because it's a USD bank holiday. So yeah, usually bank holidays, volatility is shit for that currency pair. So in my case, I'm doing gold versus USD. So that's why it looks like shit. And I guess it will just, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen really. Right, so this is the final candle. Yeah, nothing happened. And as you see, right, if you remember my past few videos, you can watch through my other videos if you don't believe me. Once it hits 11, so it's about this time here. This is 11. Right. Once it hits 11, prices will just range. There will be no huge ass movement anymore. So your huge movement is actually around this area here. Let me take away this template. Okay. Your huge movement is around here, but after that it just started ranging, as you can see here now. Right, it's in the ranging market now. So yeah, that's the reason why there's no trade on Thursday. Right, so we'll move on to the next day without further ado. Go to 1 hour candle just to make it faster. Okay, go to next day. Okay, I'm almost there. Right? Okay, so now based off this, what I'm seeing now is a downtrend. So I'm looking for a retracement, so the retracement is here. Then I'll look for a buy setup. If it's on the London session, I might take this, right? But we can take a look and see how this goes. This is for London session, but I usually exit my positions during New York session already. So it's still a loss in my opinion. Right? So let's see. The retracement is here. Look for upwards buying momentum. Double bullish candles. But it make this long ass week, right? So this long week maybe make me think that it might still go up further. So we'll see. Okay, this candle I actually would have taken if I'm in a very desperate position to get a trade, right? But because when I saw that long week, based off my past experience, I decided not to take it. Even if I want to take it, I should take this setup here. But if you take a look here, this is actually making a lower low already. So if it's a lower low, I need to break first, retest and go up higher. So that's what I plan to do. So even if this candle opens up like this, right, closes like this, sorry, I wouldn't even take this position. But if let's say I take this position, definitely is a winner, right? It hit my 1R already, and let's see. It went up, there's a retracement here. Okay, I'll look for a bullish setup to take another position. So this is actually the retracement that I was looking for, right? In my what I mentioned earlier. So when this happened, right, it broke here. So I was waiting for a retracement. So it broke all the way. It's just a very strong movement, retracement. So now I'm looking for a setup to go upwards. But unfortunately, during I'll just drag this out to midnight, right? Until midnight, nothing actually happened. There were no good buying signals for me, and yeah, that's it. So that's what happened for today. But if I took this is actually a very aggressive trade if I take this. But I didn't want to take this trade because it was too aggressive, and I've already suffered quite a few losses. So I decided not to take the risk. If I'm in a good profit, I might take it. But now my account is in drawdown, so I decided not to take it. But if let's say I took this position, I would have closed it for a 1.6R. Not too bad, not too shabby, right? So yeah, that's a recap for the past 2 days. So I hope everyone had a good profitable week. It wasn't for me. As you can see, I can open up my Excel. Just a quick one. As you can see, it was not a profitable week for me. This is the week, the whole week. Oh, it was a losing week. Damn. Yeah, I lost. I was in a drawdown of 1.75% eventually for the week. Is it? No, this was the week. This was the week. Yeah, I was on a losing streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, sorry, this is the one. I'm sorry. So this was the one. I only took 2 trades this week. That means 3 days of the whole week I didn't take a trade. No trade is a winning day, right? No trades are winning days because you never make a loss, you never make a win. It's a winner in my honest opinion. So I hope everyone had a good trading week. Stay safe. The 90 days tariff is going to come up soon. I think it's going to expire on the July 7th or 9th around there. So please be very careful about that. Market might go crazy. So on just maybe 1 week later, so today is 21st, right? Next week is still fine. You can still trade as per normal, but the following week, just be very careful. Market might start to go crazy because people might start to speculate like, something's going to happen. Donald Trump is going to do this and that, blah blah blah. So just be very careful. I urge everyone to be very careful. Check the news. Keep updated with the news. I'm not a news person, to be very honest, but I do know that this 90 days tariff will kill a lot of people. So just be very careful, okay? If there's nothing else, like, share, subscribe this video. Although it's not going to do much to the channel, but at least it might somehow make YouTube think that this video is a good fit for everyone. Okay, and if there's nothing else, I will cut off this video. Okay, it's already 10 minutes. That's the limit that I'll try to stick towards this raw, uncut daily recap video. Okay, today's 21st. It's the weekend. The weekend has just started. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and take care. Bye bye.